I have the perfect potato side dish for you. We're going to make some melting potatoes. Here in this little bowl, I have some seasonings. I'll leave in the description box what seasonings I'm using, but you can use whatever seasonings you like, basically. I have some melted butter, and then I have a few golden potatoes that I sliced up into 1-inch slices. We're going to go ahead and pour that butter over the top, and we're going to toss our potatoes. You want to get it nice and coated. And then we're going to pop these in the oven at 450 for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, you want to go ahead and flip each potato over. As you can see, it's getting nice and crispy and golden brown. And then we're going to go ahead and slide these back in the oven and let them cook for an additional 15 minutes. Next, we're going to take some minced garlic and we're going to mix it with a little bit of chicken broth. And after that 15 minutes, we're going to go ahead and pour our chicken broth over our potatoes. You want to more aim for the pan than the potatoes, but it's okay if it drizzles over the potatoes. And then we're going to slide it back in for an additional 15 minutes. These potatoes come out so moist on the inside, soft, pillowy, buttery, from all the potatoes soaking up all of that chicken broth. And then on the outside, there's still a slight crispiness to them. This recipe is like the perfect roasted potato side dish, you guys. So good. Yum.